So after it was found that Jonathan Major's ex-girlfriend was not only not the victim, and she lied about the whole thing, but that she was the aggressor, right? Police have arrested her, and the district attorney will not prosecute her. You can't make this stuff up, man. This coming from the New York Post. Actor Jonathan Major's ex-girlfriend was arrested Wednesday night, months after she and the Marvel star got into a domestic altercation, though prosecutors are expected to dismiss the charges against her. Grace Jabari turned herself in to the NYPD's 10th Precinct, Manhattan, where she was charged with assault and criminal mischief, cops said. She was released after police issued her a desk appearance ticket. The charges against Jabari come after Majors filed a cross-complaint in March 25th incident. While Jabari remained silent as she walked into a black SUV from the police station, her lawyer said the charges against won't be prosecuted by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. Attorney Ross Kramer said prosecutors determined after an extensive review that his client was not the aggressor. Okay, in legal papers filed this month, the district attorney's office confirmed that it would not go forward with any case against Jabari if she were arrested. She was the victim in this case, and they are going to do the right thing, Kramer told prosecutors Wednesday. It just happened that we had to come in here and have her spend, unfortunately, bad night at the police precinct. Majors is facing a misdemeanor charge of assault and harassment in the case. A judge ruled Wednesday prosecutor's case would not move ahead after Majors' defense team tried to get it tossed. The trial is scheduled for November 29th. Majors has denied wrongdoing. And it's like, man, you just can't win. You can't win, right? When it happened and Grace Jabari said that he was the aggressor, he did all of these things to her, everybody believed her. Everybody jumped to conclusions. I remained silent, right? I remained silent because I wonder, is she lying, right? I reserved judgment. Not everybody else. Everybody else jumped in. Oh, she did it. They started vilifying him, making him, he's losing roles and this, that, and the other. Bad press. Everybody's pulling away from him. And then it turns out, oh, she's lying. Not only is she lying, but she wasn't hurt. She went out partying all night. She's on multiple video cameras doing all of this. You got the guy that was driving them. That was, I can't remember if it was a guy or a woman, but they were willing to testify that she was the aggressor. She was the one punching and slapping and all of that to him. And you get all of this proof. Not only proof that she made the story up and painted him to be this big, black, aggressive, evil man, right? Because that always plays a part when it's white and black. It always plays a part just with men and women anyway. But then you add the fact that it's white and black, and it's like, they used to really play into this stereotype back in the day on television and make black folk look like, so she leaned into that, played it up, and then it comes out he not only didn't touch her, but he did everything to be as diplomatic as he possibly could. And then it comes out that she's been lying this whole time. She made it all up. She was the aggressor. And not only is she not going to get prosecuted for being the aggressor, but she's also not going to get prosecuted for lying and trying to derail this man's whole career. I just don't understand. And yet y'all want to keep... But yet women always be hollering patriarchy, patriarchy, patriarchy. But as you can see, when it's time for... Anytime a woman yells anything, claiming to be a victim, the law rushes to their defense. And then when it comes out that they are lying, not only do they not face the same penalty that the man would have faced, right? But the law just wipe their hand cleans of it and just go ahead on. Get on out. Get on out of here. Don't you do that again no more. Don't make me come and slap you on your wrist again. I want to have to come and I just don't get it. I don't get it. But I do. Because this is how the law works. It's not built in favor of men. We know that. We can look at divorce cases, child support, any type of court proceedings where it's man versus women. It don't go in the men's favor. We know that. And it definitely ain't built in favor of black folk. Black, brown folk, any type of dispute with the law, this, that, and other. As soon as y'all show up on the scene, we getting tased, shot, stabbed, all type of stuff, man. We get handled quite differently than our white counterparts, you know. And for those of y'all that want to keep denying it, it is what it is. It is what it is. If you ain't our color and have to go through it, then you pretty much, you won't understand. You know, some of y'all get it, but if you ain't in our shoes, you won't really understand. So I guess why should we expect anything different from this? Right? But y'all tell me what y'all think, what you don't think. Get at your boy, man.